Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right now. Open Instagram and tap the DM icon in the top right corner. If you already know who to message, tap New Message and type their name, otherwise use search to find them. Once found, tap their profile, then message. Make sure notifications and contact permissions are enabled so suggestions appear. This speeds up composing. You'll see text, camera, and attach icons. Use them to craft your first message or send a quick photo to get the conversation moving. Now compose your content. Type a concise message or tap the camera to record a quick video or photo. This feels more personal. You can attach files or press and hold the microphone to send a voice note. In groups, use that to mention someone directly. Once written, review and press send. To keep threads organized, swipe on a message to reply inline or long press to react with an emoji. These actions preserve context and reduce confusion when conversations get busy. Finish by managing the chat. You can mute notifications, enable vanish mode for disappearing messages, or restrict someone if needed. To tidy your inbox, mark threads unread, delete conversations, or report harmful content. If a message won't send, first check your internet connection and try again. If that fails, update the Instagram app and restart your device. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall. These steps resolve most issues, so your messaging stays reliable and under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.